Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Discover Bank, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Discover Bank website. Create a Discover Bank account if you don't have one. Log into your account using your credentials. Navigate to the Budgeting Tools section. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Set financial goals for yourself. Determine your monthly income. List all your fixed expenses, like rent and utilities. Identify variable expenses, such as groceries and entertainment. Use the budgeting tool to categorize your expenses. Input your income and expenses into the budgeting tool. Review the suggested budget based on your entries. Make adjustments to categories as necessary. Set limits for each spending category. Track your spending throughout the month. Use alerts to help stay within your budget. Evaluate your budget at the end of each month. Adjust your budget based on your financial goals and needs. Utilize additional resources offered by Discover Bank, like articles and calculators. Repeat this process each month to refine your budget. By following these steps, you'll gain control over your finances with Discover Bank's budgeting tools. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.